guys, it's JD from Ponzo World, and today we are unboxing and reviewing this cargo organizer for the Jeep Wrangler. Now in this case, this is a 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL. This is brand new. It's a 4-door, as you can tell, and we'll be setting this up. Now I believe for this to actually work in your Jeep Wrangler, you have to have the trail rail management system. I believe that's what it's called. But as long as your Jeep has this with 3 of these kind of clips, I guess you could call them, on each side, this will work for your Jeep then. This doesn't come stock. I believe it is a add-on option. Anyways, so let's go ahead and just get into the box. So as you can tell, I already opened it, but all I did was take out the instructions, and that was it. So here's the instructions, and let's go ahead and see what's included. So you pull open the box here, pull here, and there it is. It's pretty simple. Take this out, take this out. There's these nice little clips, I guess you can call them. Pretty cool. Has 2 of those, and then this bar. Pretty simple. I'm gonna go ahead and read the instructions and see how you set this up. So I didn't film it, but it's pretty simple getting these in, except for the fact that they barely fit. You have to put a lot of force to get these beyond these bolts, and I know we're doing it correctly. We even followed the instructions, but it takes a lot of force to get it past that bolt. So what you have to do is get this, put it here, push down this Jeep button, and then you have to, once again, really pull for it to get past this bolt, and then it'll be on there. Now here's the bar, and what we want to do is make these equal. So let's say right there, put that one, and then right there, that one, and then you simply get the bar, put it in on one side, and then the other, and it does move. So it will fit perfectly, and then there you go. It's in. Now that ain't going anywhere. That's for sure. And then if you want to move, let's say this side, don't worry, because it will do that, because this moves. So there you could have it, not the equal length on each side, I guess you could call it. So that's pretty cool. Works very well, and it will be convenient. And it is very expensive though, so you might want to think about spending $140 on this when you could probably get a knockoff one for $20. But I'm sure it'll pay off eventually, because convenience is, of course, the best. Anyways, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.